Hello everyone, my name is Harry and this is my review. In today's video, I will be sharing with you on how to access the front sprocket and to clean this sprocket cover from this Bajaj Boxer X150. First of all, this is the cover and it has two bolts, which the first one is on the top and the second one is on the bottom. And for taking this one out, you need a spanner which is 80 millimeters, and you need this kind of spanners. If you have this one, which will be easy to insert on this space here, it will be nice. For the demonstration, I loosened these bolts so that it won't take longer. So I will just take these bolts and then I will take out this cover. I hope it will be dirty. So just remove the bottom bolt and the top as well. And then you hold on these two places and then you take it out. You might experience some difficulty because of this gear selector, but if you feel it's difficult, you just lift like this and you pull on the other side like this. It will come out nice and easily. So this is how it looks from the inside, and this is because of the oil and some sands or dust. That's why it became this dirty. And this is our front sprocket. So this small sprocket, it is being supported here by these two bolts, and this is snapping ring, and this one transmits the power from the gearbox to the rear wheel through this chain. And I hope you can see it so dirty. It's so dirty. So for this purpose as well, and here, this is the gear selector sensor. Once you change the gear, like if you are in first gear, you will see the indication on the dashboard. On the dashboard, if you are on the second gear as well, this is what senses the gear selected. So I think for this demonstration, I will share with you as well how to clean this one. So and this is how it looks before being cleaned, and its cover. It looks like this. And for the demonstration, I will be cleaning by using two stuffs. The first one, I will be cleaning by using the petrol or the gasoline, which is the fuel I use for the motorcycle. I think it will take out the all of this grease and this oil and the other stuff very nice and easily. But for the finalization or for the refining cleaning, I will use this VVO 4D, which is a multi-purpose anti-rust lubricant, drives out moisture, cleaning and protecting, free stick mechanism, stops squeaks but also loosening rust repairs. So I will be using this one for cleaning. So first of all, I will skip some of the parts, and this one doesn't affect all of these electronic components, so it's okay if I spill this one. I will let it stay for a few minutes, and then I will use this my brother's toothbrush to clean these parts. It took me some time with the assistance of my brother's toothbrush, the petrol or the gasoline, and this VVO 4D, which is anti-rusty. I'm going to finalize, and I think now you can see it looks a little bit nicer compared to before. It's not that super clean, but at least there are some grease which has gone down. And you can see how it reacts. You can see how it reacts down there. It cleans very perfect. It takes away all the oil. And also, for this top cover, you can see I just used a bit, so I'm going to finalize. And that's how it looks like. And from the inside, It's not just super clean, but at least compared to the way it looked before. I will spray this one, and I will use a piece of cloth to wipe this one so it looks much nicer. After doing some finalization, and this is how it looks like. This is how it looks from the interior. As you can see, not so super clean, but at least much cleaner compared to by the time I took it out. So I used petrol for the most of the time, and I will replace back the cover. And this is how to replace. You just lift the other side, you snap it in place, boom, there it fits. You take out your bolts, you place the other on the top, the other in the bottom, and then you have to try to screw it by using your hands a little bit so that it gets into its place. So that's how to access the front sprocket and how to make it clean. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.